Gwinnett Tower Station, Zulu time 1645 Zulu, wind 0608, visibility 10, sky conditions, ceiling broken 2500, broken 4800, temperature 2.22, altimeter 3018. RNAV runway 7 approaching use, advise on initial contact, you have information Zulu. Gwinnett Tower Station, Zulu time 1645 Zulu, wind 0608, visibility 10, sky conditions, ceiling broken 2500, broken 4800, temperature 2.22, altimeter 3018. RNAV runway 7 approaching use, advise on initial contact, you have information Zulu.
I have Zulu, do you have Zulu?
I have Zulu.
Alright.
Gwinnett Ground, Archer 14900 Whiskey.
Brake check.
Brake's good.
1490 Whiskey, Gwinnett.
Yeah, 1490 Whiskey's at Gwinnett Arrow. I'd like to taxi out the VFR to the, let's say, maybe southeast with Zulu.
Jet Center 17, proceed across runway 7. 1490 Whiskey, runway 7, taxi via Delta to Zulu, and tower 1 ready, holding short, altimeter 3017.
All right, clear to taxi to runway 7, Delta Zulu, 490 Whiskey.
Gwinnett Ground, good afternoon. Cessna 733 X-ray Echo at the northwest ramp with information Zulu. VFR to the east, ready to taxi.
Cessna 733 X-ray Echo, runway 7, taxi via Tango Juliet Zulu, altimeter 3017.
Runway 7 via Tango, Juliet, and Zulu. 733 X-ray Echo. I fly so many different planes, it's so hard to keep track.
What a luxury.
Calling ground, no modulation.
Ground Dodgers 3839 Lima, how do you hear?
For 3839 Lima, I have you loud and clear now.
All right, thank you, sir. Over at the flight school with Zulu, ready to taxi, close traffic.
Center close traffic.
That's affirmative.
For 3839 Lima, runway 7, taxi via Tango Juliet Zulu, altimeter 3017.
Tango Juliet Zulu, runway 7, 3839 Lima, thanks.
first pilot passenger I've had. All right. Okay. Controls are free and correct. Engine instruments, temperatures, and pressures look good. Heading indicator is actually now an 85, so that's cool. All right. Airspeed indicator is reading 0. Turn coordinator showing nothing. Vacuum gauge. No longer applicable. Vertical speed showing 0. Fuel gauges are indicating. Gas is set to both. Altimeter cruise setting is 3017. And that one. And that one. Okay, run up. 1700 RPM. But we're going to have a real rough mag. Yep. Good drop, both, back to both, right mag, good drop, back to both, carb heat, good drop, see if she'll idle. Idle is good. Trim is set for takeoff. Alright, your belts are latched.
Seatbelts are good, doors shut, locked.
All right. Prop is full forward. All right, it's going to be standard takeoff. Runway 7, we're going to climb straight out. If we lose an engine under 500 feet, we're going to land straight ahead. If we land an engine between 500 and 800, we may have the option of looping back. If we lose an engine above 1,000 feet, we got a little bit more time. We will probably stay in the pattern and do a short approach back onto 7. All right. Over to tower. Gwinnett Tower, Cessna 733, X-ray Echo, holding short, runway 7, ready for a departure to the east.
737, X-ray Echo, Gwinnett Tower, proceed on course eastbound, runway 7, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff on 7 and then to the east, 3 X-ray Echo. All right, final looks clear. Looks clear in the opposite direction. 6 is full rich. This is runway 7. Full power. Takeoff power is set. Temperatures, pressures are in the green, airspeed's alive. 40 knots, 45, 50, 55. Positive rate. think we got some showers over towards Athens. Above.
I'll let you level off. Does look like showers about 7 miles.
Yeah. Interestingly enough, that may be Winder. Your controls?
Hey, I'll take the controls.
Your controls.
I have the aircraft. 2000, I'll level off.
Yep.
Alrighty.
And Tower Dutchess 3839 Lima, ready for takeoff, runway 7.
Dutchess 3839 Lima, Gwinnett Tower. Enter left traffic, runway 7, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, left traffic, 3839 Lima.
Cessna 733 X-ray Echo, Gwinnett Tower. You still with me?
Hey, 733 X-ray Echo.
733 X-ray Echo. Traffic 2 to 3 o'clock, 3 miles, 3,100 northbound. They're almost coming up off your right wing, same altitude.
Negative eyes on traffic. We do have traffic in sight.
733 X-ray Echo, thank you.
You see him?
Yep.
Alright. Got him, Phil.
Gwinnett Tower 3 X-ray Echo. That traffic will be no factor for us.
Cessna 3 X-ray Echo, thank you, sir. Enjoy your flight.
We got some more traffic in front of us, 2,100 feet below us. Looks like he's going into Winder.
We got to cut the...
Yeah.
So we'll go right down this highway here, and then when we get to the end of it, we'll make a left. Yep.
Cut around the opposite side of it.
Yeah, and I don't mind dropping the altitude just a little bit so we...
Yeah, stay clear.
Yeah. take her down to 2,500 feet, because that thing's right there is dropping pretty good.
Yeah. We do have a couple towers off of our right side that would really be scraping, so just FYI.
Dutchess 3839 Lima is going to be touch and goes.
You want to go through that or around it?
I'd go around it personally.
Alright, then I'll make a left.
Split those two columns.
Yeah, it sounds good. We'll head towards that church steeple right out there behind the water tower. And is that winder right there?
Yep, winder off to the right.
Alright, you want to take it to do the landing? Alright. What do we got for an active?
We're on CTAF at the moment.
080 at 6, visibility 10, 2,300, scattered 3,600, scattered, ceiling 8,500, broken, temperature 30 Celsius, dew point 23, altimeter 3020, remarks, density altitude 2,500.
Please be advised that the AWOS, the winds are unreliable.
I'm assuming that this is the runway we're going to be landing on.
Yeah.
And we're going to come into a 45 on a downwind right here pretty soon.
Yep.
Alrighty. You agree with the traffic?
Barrow County Airport, automated weather observation 1747 Zulu, weather, wind 080 at 6, visibility 10.
Alright, I'll start making the right turn for the, although that looks like shit right there.
Yeah, we're going to be...
You want to play with our landing or you just want to zip on back?
Yeah, we can load her a little bit. Yeah, I'm not keen on taking off into that.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Hey, what, why don't we just make a U-turn and go on back?
Sure, sounds good.
There you go, we don't want to play with this rain. Think we can beat that back?
That's a good question.
The answer is yes. Way too much fun. Way too much fun. If we had to land, we'd go on that green field right there.
Yeah, agreed.
It would be an ugly landing. Want to play it?
Just radio call. Gwinnett Tower, Cessna 733 X-ray Echo is 7 miles to the east, We're going to be inbound full stop. We're picking up the ATIS right now.
Temperature 29er, dew point 21, altimeter 3016. RNAV approach runway 7 in use. Advise on initial contact. You have information Alpha. Gwinnett Tower, 8 is information Alpha, time 1745 Zulu. Wind 070 at 10, visibility 10, sky conditions, ceiling broken 2,700. Temperature 29er.
What a nice day.
Gwinnett Tower, Cessna 733 X-ray Echo, 5 miles to the east with the ATIS. We're going to be inbound full stop.
That's 733 X-ray Echo, Gwinnett Tower. I got a target 9 east at 2000. Is that you?
Affirmative, 3 X-ray Echo.
733 X-ray Echo, and a right downwind, runway 7.
We'll make the right downwind, runway 7, 3 X-ray Echo.
Well, that makes it easy.
Dutchess 3839 Lima, runway 7, cleared, touch and go.
Please touch and go, runway 7, Dutchess 3839 Lima. And Gwinnett Tower, Archer 1490 Whiskey is 8 miles southeast of the field, inbound with Alpha.
Archer 1490 Whiskey, Gwinnett Tower, enter right downwind, runway 7. You'll be following a Cessna that's 5 east, near 2 to 3 o'clock for 4 miles.
All right, so we got some company.
Enter the right downwind following the Cessna 90 Whiskey.
All right, you want it?
My controls.
You have the controls. Thanks.
Yeah. He's off our left and behind.
A bird right there.
Yeah.
Cessna 733 X-ray Echo, runway 7, clear to land, wind 080 at 5.
Clear to land, runway 7, 3 X-ray Echo. Alright, our gases, both undercarriage is down and welded. Mixture is full rich, props full forward. We'll beam the numbers. Let's get that first notch of flaps in. First power reduction.
Archer 1490 Whiskey, number 2, following the Cessna just past midfield on the right downwind.
Okay, number 2 for 90 Whiskey, following the Cessna.
That second notch of flaps going. And we'll start making that right turn. Third notch flaps. Final looks clear. Very high.
Dutchess 3839 Lima, your number 3 of the runway, following Piper Archer, opposite downwind, slightly ahead, report traffic in sight.
3839 Lima, looking for traffic, and this one will be a full stop for me.
Dutchess 39 Lima, roger.
Oh, sweet.
Flaps coming up.
Archer 90 Whiskey, runway 7, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 7, 90 Whiskey.
Dutchess 39 Lima, your traffic follows off your left wing in the right base.
39 Lima, still looking.
So 733 X-ray Echo, turn left Delta, taxi ramp via Tango, monitor ground point 8. Good day.
Left Delta into the ramp, ground point 8. Have a great one. Thank you.
Oh, thank you very much. That was fun.
Thanks for coming with me. I was a little short.
It's never short. Flying. I ought to think about joining this guy's club.
It's really a pretty smoking deal.
These airplanes are well used.
That's very generous. Yeah, I mean, this is $100 an hour wet. And I'm not a wealthy man by any stretch of the imagination, but that's something I could swallow. Oh, good. Camera's still back there.